This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Lisa Berg. Lovely and well-maintained home located in a fabulous neighborhood in the heart of Lynden. Breathtaking territorial views. Close to schools, shopping and amenities. Welcoming entryway opens to a large, open floor plan and vaulted ceilings. Natural light fills this beautiful home and kitchen. Newer stainless steel appliances and window blinds. Owner's suite is on main floor with spacious bathroom and walk-in closet. A bright corner office / den / playroom is off entryway. 3 bedrooms located upstairs with full bath. Spacious patio opens to a large yard that is wonderful for entertaining. 10 by 12 shed, lawn sprinkler system and RV parking. Large garage with plenty of room for storage and a dog washing.